today's video we are going to be unboxing our March glossy box, as well as I wanted to tell you guys about a big sale happening at Skinstore with Slip. If you guys don't know what Slip is, oh my gosh, I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. Anyways guys, hello and welcome. Kinda caffeinated. I'm struggling today, guys. This is like the third video that I have filmed, so if you guys didn't catch the other two, I told you guys in those videos your girl's having a little bit of a brain fog, thyroid day. Thyroid's not on my side, so here comes the flare up. Anyhow, so judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone is implemented, so everybody be kind in the comment section. Also, your girl has jumped outside her comfort zone once again for like the third time this week. I'm super uber excited about it. If you guys are curious about what is on my eyes, it is the Natasha Denona Trio Chrome palette. On my lips is the Gerard Cosmetics Metal Matte Crush Grape Crush Matte Lipstick. I am loving it. I had to reapply it a couple times because I guess I slobber a lot. I don't know. But it's been on for about 2 hours now. So it is starting to wear a little bit, but overall it is pretty comfortable. As far as my makeup, my base makeup, I do have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydro Manic. Lord Jesus help us all. I have this on and I had to pair it with this because this is a little too dark. And this is the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So your girl's getting all the hydration today. Anyways guys, if you're new here, I hope you decide to stick around. My name's Rhonda and we always embrace the hot mess. Your girl's got some major thyroid autoimmune issues and today is just one of those days. So anywho, my top is from Fashion to Figure. I do have a Fashion to Figure haul going up probably this week that this video does go up. Over on my second channel, HOTMESSMOMMA Vlogs. Also give your girl a follow over on Instagram. I'm going to pop up my QR code. If you hold your smartphone right over the QR code, it'll take you right over to my Instagram and you can give me a follow. Anyways y'all, let's go ahead and jump into the exciting sale as well as our glossy box unboxing. Okay, so last year I did a little bit of shopping over at Skinstore and I purchased this little headband. You guys have seen it a lot over the summertime. I absolutely love this. It is made out of silk, which is great for your hair. Again, I have thyroid issues, so my hair is a bit on the brittle side on top of bleaching it. So I take uber extra care, probably over the top, when it comes to my hair. So I didn't stop there. I also got the little bonnet. So when I'm in the bath or what have you, want to go to bed with my hair up, I put it in the Slip little bonnet. And when I'm working out, I do use their little ties and I love them. They don't cause any breakage when I'm on my Peloton or anything like that working out and my hair starts to fall. I haven't experienced any breakage whatsoever. Slip was kind enough to send me over one of their masks, which if you guys don't know, silk is absolutely amazing for your hair, your skin, everything. So the nice thing about this, if you are suffering from acne, a couple of things I would recommend is spritz your mask with like even the Tower 28. That will help. Or like a salicylic acid, like the Murad has a toner. You can spritz your mask down throughout the day, let it dry, pop it back on. I don't know if the fumes would be great, so definitely let it like dry right quick and then pop it back on. But also if you use one of the silk slip masks, this will help as well with the acne, whatever. Anyways, but they were kind enough to embroider HMM Hot Mess Mama on my mask and it's super uber comfortable and it's washable and I definitely love their mask. They're going to have a sale starting, I think it's March 9th. Let me double check for you guys. Yeah, starting March 9th to March 13th. If you go over to Skinstore, you can save 20% off of all of the Slip products, which again, I bought these products with my own money. I love them. I have no issues whatsoever with them. And like I told you guys, like when I'm on that bike carrying on or I'm doing any type of boot camps, working out, a lot of the times I used to get, or my daughter when she was doing cross country, she would get a lot of breakage with the ponytails, and this was actually recommended from my former hairdresser to get silk products for your hair because it is so much better for your hair. So definitely make sure to check out the sale over at Skinstore. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. If you use code SLIPXMOMMA, M-O-M-M-A, it will save you the 20%. I'll have it linked below for you guys, and it is not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a way you guys can save some money. The link is just to let Slip and Skinstore know that I did send you over there. So thank you guys if you do click the link and check everything out over there. So nice thing about Skinstore, they do have Afterpay. I think it's what it's called, Afterpay or something like that, where you can make installments if you're interested in that. So just letting you guys know. Okay, so let's jump into the Glossybox unboxing for March. The Glossybox did send this over to me complimentary to unbox and review for you guys. And a little information as far as the Glossybox goes. It is a monthly subscription. You can gift it to yourself, you can gift it to a loved one. It is $21 a month, but if you do use my link down below, it's not an affiliate, I think you get your first box for like $16. So this is what the box looks like. It is in a nice little re-giftable box. I have to hurry, guys. My son just texted and he wants to go out for a little ice cream date before work, so Mama's trying to hurry up and get this done. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Again, like I told you guys, a gift to yourself. You will see deluxe size samples in here as well as some full size products. We do get a nice little postcard in here or pamphlet, and it does tell you a little information. I love macaroons. It is about that time, so I want all the sweets known to man. But it says pretty pleasures, and inside it does tell you a little information about everything in this box, as well as the retail value, which I absolutely love. You guys know that. So the first item in here is by Cosmetics, or K-A-B Cosmetics, which you guys had told me a while back. It is the Kim Zoltrak, I never say that right, but don't be tardy. It is her brand and her girls, and I tell you what, her reality show, my husband and I watched that and we think it is the best. I mean, it is. Anyways, I'm rambling. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. So this is called Sugar and Spice Gloss. It does have a retail value of $18. This is a full size product. So again, if you want to purchase this box, it's going to cost you 16 bucks. After that, it's going to be $21, but the price of this is more than the actual box. This is a Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss that provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. It is a non-stick formula and sweet vanilla cupcake scent. I'm a sweet junkie. Oh, I like that. Oh, this is perfect. This is such a me color. Ignore the swatches. I was swatching an eyeshadow palette. This is just a super uber like perfect accent gloss when you want to do that like no makeup kind of day. This will be pretty in the summertime as well. Moving on to the next item in here. Oh my gosh, this is another full-size item. So this is 2.5 fluid ounces. It's by ESPA or ESPA, and a little information about this. It says it's a geranium hand balm, so it's a lotion in here. Now the actual product that it is showing in my pamphlet, it looks like is a hand cleanser, but this says balm. So the cleanser does have a retail value of $28. I don't know. So I don't know what the actual price of this one is. My boy is now behind my camera, guys. So anyways, that's a nice full-size product. The next item in here is by Soon Skincare. It's a Golden Eye 24-hour hydrogel eye patches. I love these. I've tried this brand. This particular one is worth $6.30. If you do purchase the treatment, the multiple, it's like a multiple pack of them, it's $54. The 24 Gold Skincare, yes please. These incredible gel eye patches are the golden ticket to preventing collagen loss. I need that. Okay, we've got a couple more products in here. The next one is the Clean It Zero Balm. I love this. I've gotten it before. I think I can't remember which other subscription, but I did like it. This has a retail value of $3 for the Deluxe Mini. The full size is $22. This sherbet-like balm will remove even the toughest waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. It's a tri-pill acid blend that has AHA, BHA, and LHA. I don't know much about that one. I gotta research that a bit. The next item in here, I love First Aid Beauty. The Ultra Repair Cream, intense hydration for dry, parched skin. This stuff is amazing. I have a lot of First Aid Beauty products and I love it. So this deluxe size mini is 1 ounce and it's worth $5. The full size is 6 ounces, worth $36. And it's filled with nourishing ingredients including the shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. I probably said it wrong. It's a fresh citrus scented moisturizer and it'll leave your skin feeling comfortable, hydrated just after one use. This is a really good box. The last item in here is by Caudalie and this is the Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion. Y'all, this little mini is worth $26. It's expensive. Full size, $79. It says it's both effective and natural. The best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. It has key ingredients that is 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Wow. I'm sold. So that is everything in the Glossybox box for March. If you guys are interested in still picking up, it is still available. I will have the link down below for you guys as well as the coupon code. Again, it's not an affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a way you guys can save some money. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below on the Glossybox. This one I really liked. I love. You guys know, you wouldn't know it by the look on my lips today, but typically I am like all about the neutral nudes. I love like a simple glossy lip. It is right up my alley, and with everybody pretty much having dry skin, dry hands, cuticles, this is the bomb. So those are my two standout products in this box. And again, you're definitely making your money back with this box. So again, thank you to Slip for sending over the mask. And of course, you guys know how much I love my own Slip products that I did purchase and pay for. If you want to save that 20%, definitely make sure to check out the link below. Use that coupon code. Again, it's not an affiliate link. It's just a way you guys can save some money on some amazing products. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off for now. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram with my QR code. Just hold your phone right over there. It'll take you right to my Instagram. Give your girl a follow. Check me out over on my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size fashion hauls. And until next time, your girl's leaving to go on an ice cream date with my boy. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.